Welcome back to the Real Estate News. With me now is Beth Drake with Keller Williams Realty. Welcome, Beth. It's so good to see you today.
Oh, it's great to be here.
So one of the things I think is most interesting about you is your background is actually in interior design. So can you tell us, how that benefits your clients in real estate?
Oh, sure. I actually do have a BFA in interior design, and it comes in handy whether I'm helping a seller stage their home or if I'm helping a buyer envision how to redesign a house. It's very helpful.
Fantastic. Now, you always have wonderful listings when you're on the show, so I can't wait to hear what you've got for us today. So what's on tap for hot buys right now?
Well, I have this right here is a 1752 Bluff Villa. Is located in the popular South Beach area, Sea Pines. It has 2 bedrooms. It's a convenient first floor location, and it has a great water view. It comes fully furnished, and rentals are already in place, and it's offered at $350,000.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah, and another one in Sea Pines, and as you know, Sea Pines has all these fabulous new amenities there.
It's a hot spot at the moment for sure.
That's right. Is a 2237 Heritage Villa, and it's a large 3-bedroom, 3-bath townhome located close to the Harbortown area of Sea Pines. It's beautifully furnished, it's light-filled, and it has a lagoon view off of the back deck. It also has rentals in place and comes fully furnished, and it's offered at $419,900.
Fantastic. Now, what about oceanfront? Do you have anything oceanfront at the moment?
Oh yes, I have one of my favorite complexes in Palmetto Dunes, and that's Villamar. This is a beautiful complex right at the ocean, and so this is a perfect opportunity for someone to take advantage of owning in this resort. This villa is a beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bath. It's on the first floor, so you don't have to worry about the elevator. It can easily sleep up to 8 people. This unit already grosses $45,000 a year in rental income, so it's turnkey, and it's offered at $565,000.
Well, and I love Palmetto Dunes. That's actually one of my favorite plantations on the island.
Yeah,
so
for sure.
Now we've talked mostly about villas. What about single-family homes? What do you have in that area?
Well, the buy of the week is this full-size home, and it's located in the popular Palmetto Dunes neighborhood as well. It's also, you can also short-term lease it.
Oh, wow.
And you can walk to the beach. It's about a 10-minute walk to the beach or a 5-minute bike ride. It comes on a huge half-acre lagoon lot, and it's in great condition, move-in ready. And get this, it is only priced at $399,000.
That's insane.
Yeah, it's a great. You're basically getting a house for the price of a
condo.
Right.
Yeah, and within Palmetto Dunes. Now, what was the address of that home?
That one is located on 9 Offshore.
Okay, perfect. Yeah. Now, we're just about out of time, but before we go, you're very much savvy in the technology field at the moment. So you have a mobile app, right, which makes it's easy for them to find your properties. Can you just tell us?
I do. I'd love to. If anyone is down visiting this week, you can go to bethdrake.com from your smartphone, and it will automatically take you to my app, which once you download it, you can see all the available properties on Hilton Head and Bluffton as you're driving around.
Fantastic.
It makes it super easy.
Well, Beth, it's always a pleasure. Thank you so much for your time today, and we'll see you again soon.
Great. Thank you.